at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever, never wanted fame.
Yo, what's up guys? We're going back to downtown LA for the e-bikes plug ride out. So we're heading to the metro right now. Last time I went to downtown, I got back with like 70%. So I don't need to save percent this time. I can do whatever I want. I was barely saving percent on the way there, but now I can just do whatever I want. All you guys are gonna see this video is a ton of no hands, then more no hands, and then like more no hands. That's all I've been doing lately. Combos and eco. And then Damien's gonna give us, the owner of e-bikes plug, is gonna give us some hoodies to do videos with and having the Rideout. He's been telling us to go to the shop, but we haven't been able to make it, so we're gonna go right now.
Way bigger, way faster. Right. But
Mic's not working right now. I don't know why, but hopefully it still sounds good. We just got off the metro. We're heading to the meetup spot. So let's go. Yo.
Oh shit, was good, bro. Oh, okay, good thing y'all are here right now, bro. Hold up. The Long Beach group. These are cheap.
Can I get a hoodie?
Trying to get my shit away.
Thank you.
Make a YouTube video?
Huh? Yeah.
Oh shit. Hey, pump it up!
Oh, ready? No hand. You see?
No way!
Yes, dude. It's so good to see you, bro. Good to see you too.
Oh my god, you've grown so much.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Cool, we got his first bike. You have a chrome frame, black wheels, and black frame.
Oh, yeah. Wheelie light, blinder, and like a rock light.
Dude, it's so good to see you.
Bro, I know. Good to see you too.
Crazy. Have you been coming to these rides a lot?
Oh, this is my second one.
Yeah. I get to see you more.
I know.
It's so good to see you.
Yes, sir.
It's that fun.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Good to see you too, bro. on us, bro. Yo, LAPD, bro.
Hey, you're the kid with the cardboard phone.
Yeah.
I remember your video.
Yeah. I bet.
Hey, get 4 from me. I'm on my left side.
Huh?
Get out, like right here.
I'm a better filmer than Nigel. Sir.
Hey, who wants to hold my bike for now? Bro, you're my fucking man.
Alright.
I'm so happy we get to ride
I know,
into each
bro.
other. And we gotta ride more after
I
this.
bet.
Alright? Your bike, literally, I love your bike.
Bro, thank you.
It's so sweet.
We gotta get clips soon.
What's that?
We gotta get clips together soon.
Okay, 100%.
I bet.
We gotta do like the whole thing. Like,
Yes, sir, bro. Let me know. Thank you. Alright, bro. Later. I bet. I gotta go, bro. Yeah, I gotta go. Alright, guys. So Chabot, that was a super fun ride out. So definitely going to more soon, and that's probably gonna be it for this vid.
at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could